What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here on Ray's Night Shift, where we talk about everything streaming related. Today we're going to talk about how to actually set this up for yourself. How do you stream as Joe Rogan or maybe some other silly filter that you want to have? We're going to do that using the Camlink Pro right now. Now, can you do it with a regular Camlink as well, or even your regular webcam? Yes, you can, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Really quick, if you find value at any point during this video, by all means consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It really does help me out to get this thing shared to other people that might find this video really satisfying for them as well. So by all means, let's get into the video and into the meat and potatoes on how you get to stream as Joe Rogan. With that said, let's debut my face, which might be better or worse depending on who you ask. But with that said, let's swap on over. All right. And switch my hat back on. Switch my hat. Now, with this sweet software called Snap Camera, it's essentially similar to Snapchat. So on Snapchat, here, pull you guys back a little bit. On Snap Camera, it's similar to Snapchat, how it pretty much recognizes your face and adds a filter to it. That's exactly what Snap Camera does. Now, what are you going to need? You're either going to need a webcam, or what I suggest is a Camlink Pro. Now pretty much the Camlink, if you use a Camlink, where did my Camlink go? If you use a Camlink similar to this one, right? I'm not gonna lie. If you use a Camlink or a webcam, it is a little buggy when you use these things, because the only way to use it with these things is to pretty much turn off OBS, turn on OBS and stuff like that. It's like really buggy. But when you use a Camlink Pro and it's actually hooked up to your motherboard, for the most part, it always detects it, and you're gonna have a better experience. So can you get started and have fun with either a webcam or using your DSLR with a simple Camlink Pro? Yes. But are you gonna have a better experience with a Camlink Pro because it's directly connected to your motherboard? Yes, as well. But either way, go ahead and download and install Snap Camera, right? And when you do that, let's actually switch cameras here. And when you do that, it's actually going to show this right here. You can type in manually right here, because it's going to send you to so pretty much this is Snap Camera. Now I still have Joe Rogan set here, but essentially this is going to be the beginning of the page. All you're going to do is go to settings, go ahead and use your webcam or whatever Camlink Pro you're using, and once you have your settings set up, really it's just as simple as setting up your Snapchat camera. Some of these are better optimized. So some of these are going to make it seem like you're running really slow. Kind of like this one. This one is really smooth compared to this cartoon style for whatever reason. So it's just not optimized very well. I don't know if it's just not loading correctly or what, but I could be a feather diva anytime I want, and it's going to work relatively well. Now, this is about Joe Rogan. So go search and go ahead and hit up Joe Rogan here. Some of these look kind of funky. I mean, this one actually looks pretty good. I mean, but overall, I prefer this one. It gives it more of the traditional Joe Rogan that I usually see on the podcast and stuff like that. So pretty much once you're here, you're going to set up Mr. Joe Rogan here on OBS. So when you get to OBS, right, you're going to create a scene, and you're going to add this as a camera. So go to add, go to video capture device, and you're going to go to Snap Camera. You're going to create a new one, and essentially when you create a new one, go to device and you go to Snap Camera. When you go to Snap Camera, pretty much all these defaults are fine. Press OK, and essentially I already have this thing set up right here. Where is it? Snap Cam game. So it's on the bottom half right here, but I could also switch my camera, and as you can see, I could just be here by myself. So Snap Camera is how you would actually stream as Joe Rogan. If you're going to be streaming on Twitch, they do have this little rule saying you can't impersonate anybody, but then again, I see other people impersonating people all the time and they're fine. So take that with a grain of salt. I don't know if this is necessarily impersonating Joe Rogan. Like, I'm more having fun with it and building a character. I'm not actually trying to be Joe Rogan and impersonate him as if I actually was him. So take this with a grain of salt. I don't know how it is on YouTube and Facebook, but ultimately this is just something pretty funny that you can do on Twitch. I doubt you'll get in trouble for it, but don't take this on me. This is just how to do it. If you get in trouble, that's on you, sir and madam, because this is just for fun. Do I use this on my stream on occasion? Yes, I do. Personally, haven't been slapped on the wrist yet, so let's see what happens with that. Again, don't impersonate Joe Rogan pretending to be him, like literally trying to be him and exploit a little bit, because then you probably will get in trouble. So don't do that. But aside from that, this is actually pretty funny, adding a little bit of characterization to your streams. So with that said, let's switch on back to my normal wide angle lens. There we go. All right, am I good here? I'm good here. So if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed actually, potentially working with Snap Camera or anything like that, feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content. I do make streaming content on a weekly basis, so maybe I have other videos that you might want to check out. I do try to keep it fun and positive here on Ray's Night Shift, but also show you how to build a stream and add some creativity to it. And I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. You guys take care. Bye-bye.